Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about design thinking based topic on missile system. So in that design thinking, it can be classified into 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So in that empathy part, what are all the problems we have found in that missile system, and second one is the defense system, and what are the solutions we are going to implement in that missile system, and third one is the ideate what and how we are implementing the system in that cases, and fourth one is prototype, and what are all the solutions we are implemented on the experiments, and last one is the test. So in that testing, how the systems it will be work on it. So now the sessions hand out to the students. Students are elaborately discuss about the each stages of DT. So the first stages is empathy. So in that empathy part, the Yuthun going to take this part.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are applying design thinking to a missile. The first stage is empathize, where we understand the needs of user, such as defense users. They require systems that are accurate, fast, reliable, and capable of operating in extreme conditions. Safety, precaution, targeting, and quick response time are critical. Engineers must also consider environmental factors like weather, terrain, and enemy territories, defense systems. So the main goal is understand what problems soldiers and defense systems face in real-world scenarios.
We have to talk about define this problem statement. This define stage, we clearly identify the problem. The challenge is to design a missile system that is highly accurate, efficient, and reliable while minimizing cost and risk. It should be capable of reaching long distance, avoiding detection, and adapting to dynamic conditions. Another key problem is ensuring safety and control to prevent unintended damage. So the problem statement can be, how can we design a missile that is precise, safe, and efficient under all conditions?
Hello everyone, I am here to explain ideate part, generating solutions. In the ideate stage, we brainstorm possible solutions. We can think advanced guidance system like GPS and AI-based targeting, improved propulsion system for higher speed and lightweight materials for better experience, better efficiency. We can also consider sled technology to avoid radar detection. Modular design can help in upgrading the GPS system or CCD. Multiple ideas are generated and evaluated to find the best combination for performance and reliability.
I'll talk about the prototype of the problem statement. In the prototype stage, we develop a working model of the missile system. This includes designing components like propulsion, guidance, and control system. Engineers create simulation and small scale models to test performance. Materials are selected based on strength and heat resistance. The prototype helps visualize how the missile functions and allow improvement before final production. This stage is important to reduce errors and improve efficiency.
I am going to explain about testing. In this testing stage, the missile system is evaluated under different conditions. Tests are conducted to check accuracy, speed, stability, and safety. Any errors or failures are identified and corrected. This process may repeat multiple times to achieve optimal performance. Feedback from testing helps improve the design. In conclusion, design thinking create a missile system that is user-focused, efficient, and reliable by continuously improving through testing and innovation. Thank you.
DT based missile system. So the students are elaborately discussed by this topic. So in that topic, the students are chosen the one problem. So for example, the guided system. So the missiles are traveled from Earth to space. During these cases, we are not communicate with the missiles. So in that cases, they are implementing the GPS or AI-based sensor. So in that sensor, it can be easy to predict the where the missiles and it will be provide the exact location of the missile. So in that missile development, it can be very difficult to manufacturing. So each and every part it can be manufactured by the high temperature materials like nickel, titanium and stainless steel. So in that sensor part it can be covered by the titanium, so it could not melt during the flying time. So the students it can be elaborated by this topic. So thank you.